now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited to be talking about my whole luxury unboxing today. Something different, finally. I always used to do these type of videos and I feel like the audience loved it, but you know, since I took a break from YouTube, I kind of need to get back into it. Today we will be unboxing the Balenciaga Speed 2.0s. It's the ribbed sock in all white, so it's something different, not like the basic ones. I low-key have retail therapy and it's really bad, but I'm really happy to be doing this whole review and just showing you guys like what it actually looks like and my honest opinion. So let's go. I'm gonna make this short and simple, but first of all, since I got it from Nordstrom, I technically did not get a Balenciaga bag with the Balenciaga actual box. It's not supposed to look like this because obviously it's from Nordstrom and it's kind of busted in the corners, but like as long as the shoes are fine, then it's all good, you know what I mean? But I can definitely say it is completely different when you do go in the shop of Balenciaga and buy them there. It's just a whole nother experience versus Nordstrom. It's still fun, but it's not the same feeling, you know what I mean? Okay, first of all, it's kind of messy, sorry. Not gonna lie, I did open one side, so I kind of cheated. So it definitely comes with a dust bag or some kind of sports bag. I don't even know what I would use this for, to be honest with you. It has Balenciaga written at the very bottom, and it's just a regular bag. It cinches up though. Maybe I can wear this when I'm hiking, which I never do, to be honest with you. Here's what I got. Literally so amazing. Like, look at the rib like texture that I was talking about, you guys. I really wanted a pair, but I was just always unsure about whether or not to just pull the plug because the price is kind of, it did go up. I think it was like $8.50 at one point, like a few years ago, and then now it's kind of like crazy, like crazy. So if you're thinking about getting anything designer and you're dying for it, get it now as soon as you can because it is going to raise in price. I absolutely love this. This is the size 36 in European, which is size 6 in women's, and look at how cute like the color is. Like, I like how minimal it looks, very simplistic, very aesthetically pleasing. Okay, my camera died, but anyways, if you had wide feet, I have like bunions, and that's just no shame involved. It's really ugly, but I can honestly walk like 500 miles in these. I'm not even joking. It feels like walking on clouds, and it's pretty light. If you want to work outfit, obviously, Aritzia, gray and white. You can never really go wrong with those. And it's just how it, you know, flows. This just puts it all together, to be honest with you. This is so much better. But let's say you want to go on a dinner date, obviously. Got the shoes on, pretty casual, and then whole fit, you guys, whole fit. Just want to say this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm gonna tag all of my socials. You guys like my new background? That's probably my main background from now on. Let me know if it's a yay or a nay, or what color you would get from Balenciaga. All right, see ya.